Hey friends, and happy new year. Welcome back to your girl Brittany with BB's Crafts. Oh my goodness, it's been a minute since I've said that. Whoo child, but man, I have missed you guys. Let's do a quick catch up. How you been? What have you been up to? What kind of things have you been doing? Okay, so yeah, I had a little hiatus, but I'm trying to get back in the game. I missed all of you. I hope you've missed me too. So with that being said, why didn't I hit my 3,000 goal before the end of the year? But that's okay. I forgive y'all. It's all right. Because I know y'all be peeking and then just kind of be hanging out and then going on your merry way. But you know what? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future uploads. Don't forget to like my videos and share and all that fun jazz so you don't miss out on anything. And you can tell all your friends, aunt, uncles, cousins, auntie and them, everybody. And so today's video, thank you so much. A shout out to Shatavia, who is Cutting Me Clay Tay, for asking me to be a part of her guest design team for her flowers. Now you guys already know that she is my flower dealer. Yes, girl. And well, she's one of my flower dealers. So I was super excited to be part of the whole shebang. So this is what we got. I flipped this over because it had information, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dig into this. And so come on back. All right, so if you guys don't know Shatavia, she is Color Me Clay Tay, and she also has Color Me Clay, her flower. She has her flower shop also on Instagram. She sells her flowers. Now, you don't have to wait for her flower sales. You can go ahead and hit her up for custom flowers if you ever need some. And in here, it says custom orders is always available. You do not have to wait on a flower sale. You can also pre-order a seasonal kit, which include Valentine, spring, summer, fall, and Christmas. She does have a flower sale that will be tomorrow, February 6th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then this is just like, hey, hey girl, welcome. Whoop, whoop. And I have this card, so I am going to open this really quick. Aw, thank you. It was just a happy holidays card for cute. I didn't get to send out Merry Mail or anything to anyone. I'm so sorry. Hopefully I can get my life together and show you guys how much I love you. But it needs to be reciprocated, okay? Thanks. Just kidding. But a lot of times when she does her kits or her sales, she always has a little freebie gift, like a thank you. I'm not sure if this is part of the design kit, but this is too cute. We got this cute little ladybug. We have some alpha beads in here. We have the little earring hoops. We got some lips. We have pink and white hearts. We have a lobster clasp. We have a little teddy bear. So we have enough letters in here to spell love. I see a rose. Oh, for pretty. Yeah, so I'm not sure if this, like the thank you, but whenever you purchase from her, she does usually have that stuff. So let's see what we're gonna be doing. This is the Valentine kit. And, pretty. Let's see if you can look at this a little bit better. All right, look how gorgeous. Now, y'all see why she is my flower dealer. So, these are so stinking cute. So, again, she's Color Me Clay Tay, or when it comes to her flowers, is Color Me Clay Flower Shop. These are absolutely stunning. We have the softer pink, and then we have the baby pink. We have the white, and then we have the designer on that one. And then these are usually my favorite flowers I always get from her because they're perfect when I'm doing my flower clusters and you have like those little tiny gaps that are like, it's just like you need to fill that gap. Perfection. And so we have like the fuchsia, the pink, the baby pink, and then the soft pink. So pretty. You know, pink is my color. These right here are gorgeous. I love these. These are amazing. And this is not something you just throw on like any project. Like this has to be like a special project. Look at how pretty. And I love when she does this. Like she always has it nice. And it's not just like thrown in the bag. You know what I mean? She has it nice and grouped up and clustered. It is so stinking pretty. And then here, Oh, these are so cute. So we have the little polka dots here. We have the stripes. We have one that she used little heart paper on. And then she has the little silver flatbacks for her centers. So cute. And then, ooh, oh, this is new. I haven't seen her do this. So she did a little paper clip one and she added her flowers on there. You know why I have a flower dealer? Because this is a very tedious task. This is not something I want to sit down and do, okay? I like to create the projects and then decorate them, not do the prep work, okay? I'll leave that to y'all. I'll purchase from y'all and I'll put on my project. But of course, credit goes to where credit goes. But this is too cute. This is new. She hasn't done this one before. She hasn't done this before, so I like that. And then we have, oh, this is a little pretty. And she has like the little, like iridescent glitter slinters on this one. And she has that little purple up in there. Super, super cute. I love it. So let's pull this box to the side. And so we can have a quick look. So I will be back in another video. I will do some shares. I will share some things on Insta, of course. I will come back with a video showing you guys how I incorporated flowers. Granted, you have seen me incorporate her flowers in many of my projects because, again, she is one of my flower dealers. So, but this is Valentine edition. Okay, and so we're gonna really get into it. So again, check her out on YouTube. She is Cuddle Me Clay Tay. Also, same over on Instagram. And then for her flowers, if you want to put in an order, she's Cuddle Me Clay Flower Shop. She does wholesales about a couple times a month, but you don't have to wait for a flower sale. You can always put in a custom order, and she's very, very generous with her prices as well. And she does have a flower sale tomorrow, Friday, January 6th. I had to think about it. I was about to say February. Boy, I'm jumping ahead. Friday, January 6th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So tell her your girl sent you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. I will be coming back with some more videos, slowly but surely, but your girl is still here, okay? So until next time, bye.